Modified settings is a great way to show you all the changes you've made to a section, container, or an element without the need to go deep diving and finding them all by yourself. Hi, I'm JB. This is Websites for Beginners, and welcome to our video document series on Learn Breakdance for WordPress. Apart from the series, you can also learn more from our complete courses for Breakdance, taking you from a beginner to a master of multi-page sites, blogging, and WooCommerce. Link in the description. This kind of thing happens to me all the time. I've made changes to this heading, I've set it up, everything is nice for my hero section, and I go away, come back a day later, weeks, and I can't remember really what I did, or I find that there's somewhere a feature that is affecting this layout. I don't know which one. In this case, I'll select a heading element, and what you do, go over to the properties panel on the left, all the way to the bottom. You will see here is the search option as well as modified. Select modified, and now you can see everything that I have gone and changed displayed here. The first one is that I added my own content. Shows me I've changed the text. It also shows me I've changed the color, font size, and the margin bottom has 35 extra pixels. This makes it so much easier now to see, okay, I've made changes to the font size. I can easily go and switch this up a bit. The other place where the modified comes in really handy is when you use a pre-made block. Go to Add, Library, navigate to Samba. Let's choose this info boxes and choose a simple info box like this one here and add to page. Again, I can start with the section. Select section, modified, and immediately I see that the alignment has been affected, as well as the background color and padding has been applied, overriding the default values for the section. Same thing if I go to any of these info boxes, select modified, and again, all the changes. This means that when I bring in a pre-made block and I like the design, I just want to change out maybe a content or change a few colors, then it's much easier just to go to modified and no need to dive through all the menus. One thing to note is next to modified, an option exists, include settings. The idea behind this settings is to include advanced modifications. I've tested this one quite a lot. I'll deselect modified, go to the settings icon, top right, and what I can report back is that basically any settings I make here will also be included. I suspect this is for users who go the extra with CSS content under advanced and add it here under custom CSS. This will not be displayed under modified and only when you select include settings. However, so far, I don't see any changes by selecting this or keeping it off. And that's a wrap. To support this channel, a heartfelt like would be great. In addition, you can visit us at w4b.io and remember to check out the complete courses for Breakdance.